There was a time when I couldn't stand being alone. Silence made me anxious. Empty rooms felt heavy. I'd fill every moment with noise, texting, scrolling, calling someone, anyone. I was always connected, but rarely present. I didn't realize it then, but I was afraid. Afraid of sitting with my own thoughts. Afraid of what I might hear if things got too quiet. But life has a way of slowing you down when you refuse to slow yourself. One season, everything seemed to fall apart. Plans changed, people left, the noise faded, and I found myself alone. Not for a moment, but for a while. At first, it felt like punishment, but slowly, it became something else. Peace. That's when I learned this truth. Being alone isn't the same as being lonely. In fact, some of the most healing moments in life happen when no one else is around. When you're no longer performing, when you don't have to explain, pretend, or prove, just you, your breath, and whatever comes to the surface. Being alone gives you space to hear your own voice, to figure out what you actually think, want, need. It helps you notice the things you've been ignoring. Your exhaustion, your joy, your creativity, your pain. And that awareness, that's where real growth begins. You begin to realize your worth isn't tied to who's texting back or how busy your schedule looks. You stop chasing validation and start finding stillness. You learn that your own company can be enough, not because it's perfect, but because it's honest. Some of the most powerful transformations don't happen in a crowd. They happen in quiet rooms, on long walks, in journal pages no one will read. When you allow yourself to feel without judgment, to heal without distraction, to breathe without pressure. So if life has brought you into a season of solitude, don't rush out of it. Lean in. There's something sacred about being alone with yourself and learning to be okay with it. Because once you know who you are in the silence, no one can take that from you.